So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find homes with pending sales on them here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go and select your area. So for this demonstration, I will use New York and I'll go ahead and press on search. Now, once you're here, I want you to go to the top left area to where it says for sale, press on that. Then where it says under contract or pending, make sure that that is selected and you unselect the coming soon and active. And then once that is done, go ahead and press on done. Now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different listings that are contingent, that do have a contingent sale on them. So this could perhaps be a good way to see which houses that maybe you liked now have a sale with them, what houses are selling for, whatever the case may be. You can see the pending sales that are being, I guess, shown here through Redfin. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find houses or check houses that have a pending sale on them here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.